Hello and welcome back to another Rip at 605 Sports Cards. First time opening, totally certified. This has an autograph or a mem. I'm gonna assume mems 90% of the time. These I believe retail, those are 50 or 60, so still kind of pricey. From what I've seen, they aren't bad looking cards. It is not a super sought after set, but I don't have any in my collection, so we're gonna go ahead and rip a box, see what we can do, hoping for an autograph, but I don't know. Let's see, we're looking for Metropolis and mirror inserts, and platinum parallels are the exclusive. You can hit mirror platinum gold and nebulas number 10/1, so you got a chance for some cool cards in here. I just grabbed one of these at 60 bucks, and I just don't know much about them, so I didn't want to get too wild. I know the hobby type ones or HQ, I'm not sure what they are. They are decent value. I think you get one autograph per box, so we'll hope we can do that with here. Get one autograph. We're going to get to ripping. 42 cards again. Knocking over some base pile stack that needs filed away. So we got Rogers in the back. So again, not bad looking cards. Kind of, I don't know, I think they're like, to me they're a little better. I guess that's a rookie Marvin Harrison, so not a bad rookie to start. What would it be, like a Chronicles or something type, or Elite maybe? I think I like these a little better than Elite, probably more compared to Patrick Mahomes. They do a nice team color on the border. Jared Goff. So there's 3 quarterbacks in a row. We had Kyle Hamilton and Aaron Rodgers. So quarterback pack, just not the rookie quarterbacks. No idea what the case hits look like in here. DeJuan Edwards, some guys haven't really heard of. Devontae Adams. We got intriguing players. Jonathan Brooks. So there's our first insert. Rookie. Big Ben. Garrett Wilson. A lot of vet quarterbacks in here. Amon-Ra and Kenneth Walker. Don't mind the set. Pretty good looking cards. Don't know if they're worth 60 bucks. I think they could come down a little bit, and we're going to get a mem in here, of course. Looks really hard in the light. Jaquin Jackson, rookie. A Justin Jefferson, looks a little different. Not numbered or anything. Cool looking card, but I don't see anything special about it. And as Zamir White is our patch. Travis Etienne Jr. and CeeDee Lamb. Jalen Waddle and Andy Dalton to finish off that pack. Hopefully there's numbered cards or something in here. So otherwise, very overpriced. Decent looking set, but not for $60 a box. There's a nice, good looking insert. Franchise Foundations, Myles Garrett. Yep, Checo, Connor, Jefferson, and Geno. So you're getting maybe one rookie per box or per pack. Don't know if that means there won't be as many rookie cards printed in this, which is okay because everything gets way overprinted. And not like the rookies are on top, so a good way for them to get beat up. So we got Bucky Irving and Lad McConkey, so 2 decent rookies there. Buccaneers, a Baker. And for base, Chuba, Jalen, Hutchinson, and Metcalf. So we're down to our last pack. Need something magic in here. I mean, I can't complain. We have done pretty good on mega boxes or blaster boxes in optic 2 case hits, but Wouldn't mind seeing something different in here. Chase McMillan. And there's a numbered card, so at least got one numbered card at a $3.99. On target, Randy Moss. Cool looking insert. And we're going to end up with Montez Sweat, Trayvon Walker, Jake Ferguson, and Devin Achane. So, I don't think there's anything right home about there. Yeah, I do like some inserts. It's a good looking Randy Moss. Franchise foundations aren't too bad. Your typical, pretty much just certified type patch card. Pretty basic. Not too many rookies. A couple decent base, but I think like 9 rookie cards, and Bucky Irving and McConkey are probably our best ones. So we'll sleeve some of those up, put them in a $1 box or something, but I like the set, don't like the price. Don't know if I'll be investing any more in those, but we'll see. So I want to thank you for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Good luck ripping.